So I'm going to show here how to resize something. If you click one of these corner white squares, you get two dimensions, the width and the depth. If you do the one here in the middle, that gives you the height dimension. Once you click it and the white box is there, the easiest way to resize it is just to double click on it and then type it in and then hit enter. You can grab one of the squares and also move it to resize. And notice right now it's going by 1 millimeter each time. That's because the snap grid down here in the bottom right is at 1 millimeter. If you need it to be more exact, you can change it to a smaller half millimeter, quarter millimeter, tenth of a millimeter to get more exact. But that's why it's changing by 1. But still, the easiest way is just to click on it and type in the values. And if you need it to be a specific number in the decimal, you can type that in too.